You know when you're telling a story and you want to make it pop? You want to make it more exciting, more vivid? Well, that's exactly what we're talking about today. We're diving into adverbs. These are the powerhouse words that can totally change the game. So here's our game plan. First, we're going to get right to it. What are adverbs, really? Then we'll break down the 5 main types you see everywhere. After that, we are going to clear up that super common confusion between adjectives and adverbs. And finally, we'll put your new skills to the test. Sound good? Let's get started. All right, first up, what exactly are adverbs? Let's start right at the beginning, because once you get this, honestly, everything else just clicks into place. Okay, so just think about this for a second. How do we describe an action? If you see someone running, how do you explain the way they're running? Are they running fast, slowly? Or what about when someone is talking? Are they speaking loudly, confidently? Well, those little descriptive words, that's what this is all about. And there it is. An adverb is a word that gives us more detail about a verb, an adjective, or even another adverb. It's the word that answers those key questions: how, when, where, or how often something is happening. Super useful, right? Let's look at this in action. She runs quickly. See, that tells us how she runs. They arrived early. That tells us when they got there. He speaks loudly. Again, that's how he's speaking. And I visit my grandma often tells us, you guessed it, how often. It's pretty straightforward when you see it like this. Okay, so we know what they do. Now let's dig a little deeper and look at the 5 main types of adverbs. You can think of them as different categories, and each one is built to answer one of those key questions we just talked about. This table makes it so clear. If you want to know how, you use an adverb of manner, like gracefully. You want to know when? That's an adverb of time, like tomorrow. And it's the same for where, how often, and even how much. It's like a little cheat sheet for finding the perfect word. And here's some really good news. You don't have to go memorize a giant list of new words. For so many adverbs, all you have to do is take an adjective you already know, like quick or careful, and just stick an ly on the end. You get quickly and carefully. It's a super handy little trick. All right, on to our next section. Now, this one is huge. We're about to tackle one of the most common grammar mix-ups out there, confusing adjectives with adverbs. Seriously, once you nail this, your English is going to sound so much more natural. Okay, look at this side by side. This is the whole key right here. An adjective describes a noun, a person, a place, a thing. So we say, she is a beautiful singer. Beautiful describes the noun, the singer. But an adverb describes a verb, the action. So we say, she sings beautifully. Here, beautifully describes how she does the action of singing. See that difference? And this is the mistake you hear all the time, right? She speaks good. But good is an adjective. And remember, adjectives describe things, not actions. To describe the action of speaking, we need a job for an adverb. So the crucial point is this. If the word is describing how an action is being done, you have to use an adverb. The correct way to say it is she speaks well. Well is the special adverb form of good, and it correctly describes the verb speaks. Excellent. You're getting this. let's move on to our final section and put all this great knowledge to work. It's time to practice and look at just a few more common mistakes so you can totally avoid them. Okay, here are a couple more to watch out for. You'd say, he did the test carefully because carefully describes how he did the test. And now for a tricky one. There is no such word as fastly. The word fast is special. It works as both an adjective and an adverb. So saying she drives too fast is 100% correct. Okay, it's your turn. On the screen, you'll see 4 sentences with a blank. Based on what we've learned, what adverb fits in each one? Go ahead and pause here to think it over. We'll show the answers in just a second. All right, how did you do? The correct adverbs are gracefully, fluently, early, and carefully. If you got those right, give yourself a big pat on the back. You're doing some fantastic work. You're well on your way to being an adverb expert. So there you have it. You now have the tools to describe actions with more precision and flair than ever before. You know the different types, and you know how to avoid those common pitfalls. The only question left is, how will you use adverbs powerfully to make your own communication even more vivid? Thanks for joining me on this.